Nikhil Prasna, and this is my final project of Siemens Industry Readiness Program on optimization of a helicopter splash plate using Altair Inspire. The objective of this project is to reduce the weight of the splash plate while maintaining its structural strength and stiffness through topology optimization. Mm, Helicopter splash plate is one of the most important components of the main rotor system. It transfers the pilot control inputs into the rotating rotor blades and changes their pitch angle. This enables helicopter to move forward, backward, sideways, and also controls lift. Since it experiences continuous operation loads, the swash plate must be lightweight, strong, and rigid. The main goal of this project are to reduce the mm, weight of the component, improve structural stiffness, maintain a safe factor of safety, demonstrate the effectiveness of simulation driven design using Altair Inspire. I created two initial swash plates design before optimization. Both designs were analyzed under the same loading conditions to evaluate their structural performance and determine areas where material could safely removed. After topology optimization, its weight is the initial weight was 1.587 kg. After optimized, its weight has been 1.301 kg. This represents a significant reduction in weight while maintaining stiffness. And for design 2, initial weight is 1.599 kg and the optimized weight is 0.902 kg. This design achieved an even greater weight reduction, making it the lighter of the two optimized designs. In structural analysis, the optimized models were evaluated for total displacement, tension and compression stresses, and for factor of safety. The results confirmed that the optimized designs can safely withstand the applied loads while reducing unnecessary material, making them suitable for lightweight aerospace applications. And in conclusion, this project demonstrates that topology optimization is an effective approach for designing a lightweight aerospace components. Using Altair Inspire, I successfully reduced the weight of the helicopter splash plate while maintaining structural integrity and improving design efficiency. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this presentation informative. Thank you.